afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to this chemistry digital class. Hope so you are fine and enjoying these digital classes nowadays. Dear students, as you know that we have finished our unit 12. That is one of the very important unit related to organic chemistry. Today I'm going to start the second unit of organic chemistry, which is also very important. It is carrying very good weightage as per your according to your examination point view. So it is my request that before going to start this unit, in advance I am going to request you must watch each and every video. You must attend live classes. Only it is possible, then you can understand the concept. Okay, so let's start. The name of the unit is hydrocarbon, and today in this I'm going to tell you about the introduction and what we are going to study. Dear students, hydrocarbon are basically the compounds of carbon and hydrogen. Already we have introduced it in previous chapter. Already we have discussed so much about hydrocarbon in our previous chapter. So you take like this way. This is the second part of the same chapter. So basically sources, if we will say in our daily life, the petroleum and coal are the major source of hydrocarbon. Mean जो petrol or coal or fuel जो हम use करते हैं, that is the major source where we can get hydrocarbon. Okay, so petroleum are basically aliphatic hydrocarbon. Coal is the main source of aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, so the chapter is all about the classification only. Okay, so basically hydrocarbon classified into two form, aliphatic and aromatic. Already you know, aliphatic is alicyclic. Acyclic means which is not cyclic, which is straight chain, branch chain. Okay, this we have discussed only, and branch to branch chain. Whereas aromatic is cyclic hydrocarbon, where we are making any cycle. So structure, acyclic hydrocarbon, we will tell there are two types, saturated and unsaturated. Whereas saturated hydrocarbon are alkane. Single bonded carbon is called saturated, and you know very well what is the meaning of this formula, CnH2n plus 2. With the help of this formula we can find out the number of hydrogen present in alkane. Unsaturated, it is alkene and alkyne, where we will discuss the double bonded and triple bonded carbon. Here we will talk about double bonded carbon, here we will talk about triple bonded carbon. It can be long chain of carbon, but between any of the two carbon, when there is triple bond, so that compound will be fall under alkyne. If any of the two carbon have double bond, that will fall under alkene. If we will talk about aromatic or cyclic, so there are this type of compound which is having starting and ending point in the same. That's why it is called cyclic. Cyclic hydrocarbon are cycloalkane, cycloalkyne. Cycloalkane is single bonded carbon, cycloalkene is double bonded carbon, cycloalkyne is triple bonded carbon. Whereas aromatic or ring, whereas ring is benzene. And I told you difference between cyclohexane and benzene. In cyclohexane there is not double bond at alternate carbon. There can be one double bond, that is cycloalkene, but in benzene always there is at alternate carbon there is double bond. At alternate carbon there is double bond. Okay, so the ring will be draw, or it can be represent with this also, because these double bond are somewhere showing resonant also. So resonance, you know, shifting of electron from one carbon to another. Okay, this is called benzene. So now what we will study in this chapter particular, we will study in this chapter nomenclature of alkane, alkene, alkyne and benzene. Then structure of alkane, alkyne and benzene. Then preparation and property, which is very important. This is very important. Preparation and properties, physical and chemical properties of alkane, alkyne and benzene, in which we will discuss some important reactions. Now those important reactions you need to learn, because definitely one question will come from some important reactions. Then conformation of alkane, alkene, alkynes. How we can say that this compound is alkane or alkene or alkyne. Then some reasoning type questions are there. So dear student, this is introduction of this chapter. Now let's start with the classification. So in detail, when we will discuss classification, hydrocarbon can be broadly classified into two main classes. Open chain hydrocarbon, closed chain hydrocarbon. Open chain hydrocarbon is called acyclic, which already I told, and closed chain is called cyclic. If we will talk about open chain hydrocarbon, these are also called acyclic hydrocarbon. They contain open chain of carbon atom. Open word automatically clearing everything. The open chain hydrocarbon are called aliphatic hydrocarbon. For example, 1 2 3, you know very well this structure, 3 carbon propane, 1 2 3, then branch is there, it means that isopropane, then 1 2 3 double bond is there, propene. Okay, these are all the example of open chain hydrocarbon, which we have discussed in 10th class also, which we discussed in previous chapter also. That is same. Closed chain, somewhere these are the hydrocarbon having closed chain or carbocyclic. These are of two type: alicyclic hydrocarbon, alicyclic aliphatic cyclic hydrocarbon, or aromatic hydrocarbon. This aromatic word come from aroma, okay, which is having some sweet smell. Alicyclic hydrocarbon, these compound contain ring or closed chain of carbon atom, but they resemble with open chain hydrocarbon in many respect also. Like open chain hydrocarbon, they can further classified cycloalkane, cycloalkene, cycloalkyne. If we will discuss about the cycloalkane, alkene, alkyne, so you can see here 1 2 3 carbon. Now this carbon is not in this way, this is somewhere in cyclic way. So you can see otherwise there will be CH3 in the 2 carbon, but here all the carbon have 2 hydrogen. Name is cyclopropane. Cyclobutane, 1 2 3 4 butane. Number of carbon name will remain same, only you will use the word cyclo. 1 2 3 4 5 pentane, so double bond is there, so pentene, cyclopentene. If aromatic hydrocarbon, I told these are the collective known as arene. They contain one or more hexagonal carbocyclic ring. One of the earliest aromatic hydrocarbon is benzene. It is represented like this way, and there is a history of benzene. So it is my home assignment for you. This is a home assignment for you from YouTube. You will find out the history of benzene, how benzene discovered. There is a very sweet story, that very unique story, that benzene was discovered by Huckel. So you need to find out this from YouTube, and tomorrow in my live class I will ask. Hydrocarbon may be classified as saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbon is single bonded hydrocarbon, that is methane, ethane, propane, alkane. Unsaturated hydrocarbon is double bonded and triple bonded, like ethene, propene, ethyne. These are unsaturated hydrocarbon, double bonded and triple bonded. Okay, now dear students, if overall we will tell about the classification. Alicyclic, as I told, acyclic is open, this is called open hydrocarbon also. Cyclic is called closed hydrocarbon. Why it is called closed? Because its ring is somewhere closed. Open is saturated, unsaturated. Alkane, alkene, alkyne are unsaturated. And carbocyclic, we will say, so alicyclic hydrocarbon and aromatic hydrocarbon is given, in which cycloalkane, cycloalkene, cycloalkyne are alicyclic, and benzene is somewhere aromatic. Okay, now one by one, from tomorrow we are going to study about alkane, its shape, its nomenclature, its isomerism, its preparation, its properties, its configuration. Okay, we will study then alkene, alkyne, in this way benzene. So overall this is all about in this chapter then. So this is all about for today. As today we discussed the classification, you also learn the classification from your book. Then tomorrow's video I will share some extra. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds can be grouped into acyclic or open chain compounds and cyclic or closed chain or ring compounds. Cyclic compounds can be further divided into homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds and heterocyclic compounds. Homocyclic can be further divided into alicyclic and aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds can be further divided into benzenoid and non-benzenoid compounds.